This is called playing stringed instrument, or sometimes playing guitar. So from here, it doesn't move. But I do turn my center line slightly to the right. Place the foot, sink, turn the center, and collect. The hands are oblique, not like this or like this or like this, slant, and here, down, this. So what we really have is just this. The arms are not moving. Not like this. We just move the center line. And keep the hands at shoulder height. And bring the foot in. Okay. So another thing is, you can see Michelle's arms, because the elbow is in, there's a slight twist in the forearm, like this, and here as well, which is what we want, which means there will be concentration to the center, to the bone and the marrow. Yeah. So it should be slightly further back, like this. More opposite the forearm. Okay. A little bit slow with the front hand. Are you doing this on purpose? Okay, good. Just a slight adjustment and relax the shoulder. This can be slightly higher to here, doesn't really matter, but normally I say wrist joint to top shoulder. Okay, good.